In this lesson, we will look at how to draw shapes on Google Maps. We will start with circles and rectangles, two of the most commonly used overlays. We will first create circle using google.maps.circle object. To draw a circle, we pass three required parameters: the center coordinates, the radius in meters, and the map instance. Let's try it out. We can see a circle around New York City with 5 km radius. Let's change the map zoom level so that we can see the circle centered in the map. A circle can be customized with stroke and fill options. These control the outline color, thickness, and the interior fill color. Fill color, let's set it to red. Fill opacity controls the transparency of the shape. And the stroke color, let's try it out. Now it makes a circle more visible with a good color and semi-transparent fill. We can also make the circle draggable by setting the draggable flag to true. This allows the user to drag the shape. Now let's create a new rectangle using google.maps.rectangle object. A rectangle is defined by geographical bounds instead of a center and radius. Bounds require four numbers: north, south, east, and west coordinates. And we also pass the map object. Now let's try it out. So we can see a rectangle with default colors. Rectangles can be customized as well with stroke and fill options. Now we have a blue rectangle with a blue light fill. We can make this draggable as well. So now I can move these shapes around. In this video, we explored two shapes, circles and rectangles, how to customize them, and how to make them draggable. In the next lesson, we will look at drawing paths and areas using polylines and polygons.